In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add custom function in Zoho projects. Custom functions in Zoho projects help you automate routine work using Deluge, Zoho's low-code scripting language. Once a function is set up, you can reuse it to perform consistent actions in your projects, tasks, or issues, without doing everything manually each time. Start by opening Zoho projects and going to your portal where you can see your projects. From the top navigation bar, click the settings icon, the small gear symbol. This is where Zoho Projects keeps the configuration options for your account and portal. In the settings area, find and click Marketplace. Marketplace is where you manage extensions and developer tools. Inside Marketplace, look for the Developer Space section. Click Developer Space and then select Custom Functions. This takes you to the area where you can create and manage Deluge functions. Next, make sure you are working in the right module. Use the module dropdown to choose where this function belongs, such as projects, tasks, or issues. Selecting the correct module matters because it determines what data the function can work with and where it can be used later. Now click Create Custom Function, which may also appear as New Custom Function depending on your layout. In the form that opens, enter a clear function name and a short description. Use wording that explains what the function does, so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you create multiple functions over time. After that, set your arguments. Arguments are the inputs your function will use, like a project ID or task ID. Choose argument names that are simple and specific, because you will refer to them in your code. Then write your logic in the Deluge script editor. You can type directly in the editor, and you can also use the panel on the left to insert available parameters, which helps avoid typos and makes your script easier to build. When your code is ready, click Save to store the custom function. If you see an option such as Use Function, select it to proceed with using the function in your setup. Finally, click Save again to confirm and finish. And that is all there is to it.